Neutral palette for lighter skin. So this one is a neutral palette for lighter complexion. Now for our complexion, my complexion and darker, this is our palette. Look, look, that gold, when I tell you that gold, you put on the darker color, then put on that gold. Look, the pink got a look. Can you see the darker complexion? This one is under the oranges and the rust. Thank you, Kimberly. I'm trying to show you without the mirror blinding us. This one is for the oranges and the rust. So look, you get the oranges. Look at it. Look at it. The oranges and the rust. The oranges and the rust. Yes. And then, if you're not into the oranges and the rust, we have purples. We have, yes, I mean, trust me, I stay in some makeup, so it only makes sense. You know what I'm saying? I'm a cosmetologist. It only makes sense. So look, we have our purples. Look at that. Look at that glitter. Look, you even got your teal green. Look at that glitter. Yes, yes. So what I'll do is on the site, I have the names. So I have like the purple palette, the orange palette, the neutrals for dark skin or, my complexion. And then, thank you. Oh, did I tell you that lashes come with the kit? Because I don't sell just the eyeshadow. I sell it as a kit. So you get the eyeshadow, you get a set of lashes, come through lashes, and your makeup brushes for your eyes. These are all your eye brushes. So you got your eyebrow, you got your crease or your liner, you got your eyeshadow, you got your fluffy or outer, and then you got your eyeliner, or you can use this as a lip liner. So that comes in the, you get mascara. So look how thick that brush is. This is like a thickening mascara. Now, with the mascara, the container is different colors depending on what kit you get. The container is pink, green, purple, yellow, orange. The container. The mascara is black. What's on the inside is black. So don't get nervous. When you get your kit, don't get nervous. The mascara is black. The inside is black. The people decorate their makeup table with different colors. So depending on the kit that you order for your eyeshadow, your mascara container will be a color. The inside is black mascara. All right? Your primer. It's a clear. It's a clear. Eye primer is what you put on your bare, naked eyelid and eye area. Your primer. You need your primer so that your eyeshadow will stick. So if I'm on video or I'm out and about, I have to wear faux eyelashes. So the trick to these, because not everybody like lashes this real long. What I do is I cut the lash. See how long those lashes are? Just cut a line. Just cut some of the lash off. So it'll match more of your lash length. You see what I'm saying? So even though you're getting free lashes, you don't have to wear them that long. Just get some scissors, some sharp scissors, and cut down the lash. And of course, you gotta buy lash adhesive. Don't use hair glue or color. So this is the purple kit. The purple kit. And then you have the oranges and the rust. The oranges and the rust. These are mine, darker complexion. My complexion are darker. Look at that gold, look at that gold, look at that gold. And then you have the neutral palette for lighter complexions. lighter and lighter and lightest complexion, neutral palette. So yes, I cover something for everybody. And this cute little heart, and the container is pink, but the eyeliner is black, and it is a brush. Cleaning kit also, material, and you scrape it on there and get all the makeup off, and then you rinse, rinse, rinse. You are going to get your, after you, at the end of the day, when you get ready to take your makeup off, you can get a cotton ball or some kind of spoolie or something, and you can wipe off your eyeshadow and get your lashes off. This comes in your cleaning kit. So not only do you have the makeup brush cleaner, this is your makeup brush cleaner. This is to clean your makeup brushes and your makeup sponge. This is to clean the eyeshadow off your face. The eyeshadow, your eye makeup off your face. So this is for your makeup brushes, pink container. This is for your eyeshadows, blue container. And then you get your sponge to scrape all that crud off your brushes. Okay, so that comes in your cleaning kit. And then you get empty bottle. So this is what you put. Some people put their makeup shampoo in this. So you can use this, put it, because this is an empty container that you'll get with your kit, and you just open it up. Hold on. And you fill it with any kind of makeup remover that you want to use. And then this is also travel